If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs feeling weaker, heavier, or more tired than they used to, you're definitely not alone. Many people in their 60s, 70s, and beyond start feeling that simple things like walking across a room, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods have become noticeably harder. And while aging is part of life, that doesn't mean you have to accept muscle loss and fatigue as permanent. In fact, nature offers some gentle, science-backed ways to support your strength and energy. One of the easiest, drinking the right kind of tea each day. The body naturally begins to lose muscle mass as we age, a process known as sarcopenia. This doesn't just affect athletes or very active people, it impacts everyone. Muscle is essential for movement, balance, posture, and even circulation. When muscle weakens, the whole body starts to feel less stable. But here's the good news. Your body still responds, even in your 60s, 70s, and later. You can support your muscle strength, mobility, and energy with small, consistent habits. One of those is drinking teas made from specific roots and herbs that naturally help the body fight inflammation, improve circulation, and restore balance. The first tea is a blend of ginger and turmeric. You've likely heard of both before, but together they do something very special. Ginger helps improve blood circulation, which is critical for muscle recovery. Muscles need oxygen and nutrients to stay strong, and that can only happen if your blood is flowing well. When circulation is poor, muscles don't heal properly, and you may feel fatigue even after light activity. Ginger's natural compounds, called gingerols, support the blood vessels and help keep that flow steady and healthy. Turmeric, on the other hand, is known for its ability to fight inflammation. Chronic low-level inflammation is one of the reasons why legs feel sore, stiff, or weak, even when you haven't done much. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound studied for its ability to reduce inflammation in muscles and joints. Together, ginger and turmeric don't just ease pain, they help your muscles stay ready for movement. Many older adults notice that after drinking this tea regularly, they feel more mobile and less weighed down. Making this tea is simple. Boil water, add a few slices of fresh ginger, about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Adding a pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb curcumin better. You can add lemon or honey for taste. 1 cup a day, especially in the morning, can gently support your legs and overall energy. The second tea is made by combining green tea with ginseng. This duo offers a very different kind of support. Green tea provides antioxidants that help reduce cellular damage in muscles. These antioxidants, known as catechins, protect the cells from wear and tear, keeping your muscles healthier over time. Green tea also contains a small amount of caffeine and an amino acid called L-theanine, which work together to give you a calm, focused kind of energy, perfect for steady movement without jitters. Ginseng is a root that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to fight fatigue and improve endurance. What makes it powerful is that it helps the body use oxygen more efficiently. This means your muscles get more oxygen per breath, which directly supports stamina and reduces tiredness. Ginseng also helps the body adapt to stress, physical or mental, which is important because stress hormones like cortisol can accelerate muscle breakdown. People who drink ginseng green tea often report better energy throughout the day, fewer crashes, and more motivation to move around. Even light movement, when done consistently, helps rebuild strength. That's why feeling mentally clear and physically awake is key. It naturally encourages more activity. To make this tea, steep a green tea bag or loose leaves in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a few slices of ginseng root or about a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder and let it steep for another 5 minutes. Drink it in the morning or early afternoon to avoid disturbing your sleep. The third tea on the list is made from ashwagandha root. Unlike the other two, which work more on inflammation and circulation, ashwagandha supports your body's internal balance. This root is what scientists call an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body handle stress, both physical and emotional. Why is this important for muscle strength? Because stress hormones like cortisol, when too high for too long, interfere with muscle repair, drain energy, and disturb sleep. All of these factors lead to weaker muscles over time. Ashwagandha helps lower cortisol naturally and promotes a more balanced hormonal state. It also supports testosterone levels, which play a key role in muscle mass for both men and women. In clinical studies, older adults who took ashwagandha regularly showed measurable improvements in strength, balance, and endurance. Some even reported better walking speed and reduced fatigue during daily tasks. Another major benefit of ashwagandha is its impact on the nervous system. Strong legs aren't just about muscle, they also depend on the brain-to-muscle connection. If you've ever felt wobbly, unsure on your feet, or unsteady while walking, weak neuromuscular signals may be part of the issue. Ashwagandha supports nerve function, helping your legs respond more quickly and confidently. And if sleep has been an issue, this tea can also help. Better sleep gives the body time to recover, repair tissue, and restore energy, essential for regaining strength at any age. You can brew ashwagandha tea by simmering a teaspoon of dried root in water for about 15 minutes. The taste is earthy and slightly bitter, but adding cinnamon or honey can help. Some people prefer to drink it in the evening to unwind and support overnight recovery, while others use it in the morning for calm, steady energy. Either way, the key is to make it part of a daily routine. These three teas, ginger turmeric, ginseng green, and ashwagandha root, each work in different but complementary ways. One improves circulation and reduces inflammation. Another boosts oxygen use and energy. The third helps your body recover, balance hormones, and rebuild from the inside out.